In the heart of a vast and tranquil ocean, where the sun's rays danced upon the waves, lived an oystercatcher named Ossian. He was not an ordinary bird, for he was gifted with a unique ability, the power to discern the pearls of wisdom hidden within the depths of the ocean. One day, as Ossian was pecking at the sandy shore, he stumbled upon a peculiar pearl. Unlike any he had ever seen, it was glowing with a radiant aura. Intrigued, he decided to bring it back to his home, a grand shell nest perched atop a rocky outcrop. The moment the pearl touched the shore, a magical transformation occurred. The once tranquil ocean began to churn, as if in turmoil. The waves grew bigger, the winds stronger, and the once vibrant coral reefs wilted. Ossian felt a wave of fear wash over him, but he stood his ground, for he knew the pearl's power was immense. The next morning, Ossian called upon the creatures of the ocean to gather. He presented the glowing pearl, explaining the chaos it had caused. The ocean creatures listened in awe, for they had never seen such a sight. "This pearl," Ossian said, "is a symbol of wisdom. But, like any other treasure, it must be wielded with care. For, when used with haste and without thought, it can bring about destruction." The creatures of the ocean pondered Ossian's words, their eyes reflecting the wisdom in his message. They realized that the power of wisdom was not to be hoarded, but shared. It was not to be used for personal gain, but to serve the greater good. From that day on, Ossian no longer kept the pearl for himself. Instead, he shared its wisdom with the ocean creatures, guiding them through their lives, ensuring that the ocean remained harmonious and balanced. And so, the tale of Ossian and the pearl of wisdom became a reminder to all that power, no matter how great, must be wielded with humility and wisdom. For it is not the power alone that defines our character, but how we choose to use it.